channel Concept Layer. In today's class, we will discuss about Secure Socket Layer SSL. Okay, here what is Secure Socket Layer Protocol? It is a protocol will provide the security over the network. SSL provide the security to data which is transferring from transport layer and web browsers and servers. At the time, it will provide the security. Here SSL layer provide the security while between transport layer and web browser and servers. It provide the security between transport layer and web browser and servers. Okay, here it is ensures the integrity and authentication and confidentiality. Okay, here SSL layer will provide ensures that integrity, confidentiality and authentication. Okay, we know these three are the security services. Okay, it lies between application layer and transport layer of TCP protocol. Where is the security SSL layer will be placed means it lies between transport layer and application layer of TCP/IP protocol. Okay, it lies between application and transport layer. Lies between application layer and transport layer of TCP/IP protocol. In TCP/IP protocol model, it lies between application layer and transport layer. Here, the SSL layer will be implemented by using different protocols. What are the different protocols? We will see one by one. SSL record protocol, handshaking protocol, change cyberspace protocol, and alert protocol. These are the four protocols we can implement SSL layer. Okay, see, we will see one by one. SSL implemented by using different protocols. Okay, the first one is SSL record protocol. Okay, these are the several ways to implement the SSL protocol. Okay, SSL record protocol. Second one is handshaking protocol. Okay, and third one is change cyberspace protocol, and fourth one is the alert protocol. By using these four protocols, we can implement the SSL layer. Okay, these are the different protocols we can implement. Anyone will get our required SSL layer security. Okay, these will be implemented just above the TCP layer. Okay, where will you implement the socket layer means it will be implemented just above the TCP/IP model. Okay, it will implemented just above TCP/IP model. Okay, here there are two main concepts that must be implemented in this secure socket layer. What are the two main concepts means? The first one is connection and the second one is section. What is meaning of connection? A connection is the first step of in any type of communication. Okay, if you have a proper connection between client and server or two persons, then only we can send our data, and then only we can receive our data. So the connection is the first step. The second step is session. What is meaning of session? Session is association between client and server. Session is called as temporary time period. For example, if you see a bank websites, net banking login keeps just 3 to 5 minutes. After that, it will be log out or expires the authority. Okay, this is called sessions. Okay, here there are two concepts. First one is connection. Second one is the session. Okay, what is the meaning of connection means to implement any communication or establish any network, we need connection between one system to another system. Session means the starting. It is association between client and server. Session is called temporary time period. Session is a association between client and server. It is called temporary time period. For example, net banking, login and logout. It will be a time period. The time period is completed, duration is completed, automatically the net banking will be closed. After that, it will be automatically expires the session or log out the session. We will see what is secure socket layer diagram. Okay, we will see here a protocol stack of SSL. Here it contains totally 4 layers. In first layer we have 4 protocols: handshake, SSL handshake protocol, SSL chain cipher protocol, alert protocol, HTTP protocol. In second layer we have SSL record protocol, and third layer TCP, and fourth layer we have IP protocol. We will discuss in each block one by one. We will discuss these all one by one. The first one is SSL record protocol. Okay, first we will discuss what is a record protocol. SSL record protocol is actually implementation is done in SSL record protocol. The actual implementation will be done in SSL record protocol. Here we have to follow several steps. Okay, here it will provide, the main thing is two services. The first one is confidentiality and message integrity. Okay, here the SSL record protocol will be implemented in several steps. We will see one by one. It will provide two services. The first one is confidentiality, and second one is message integrity. Okay, here it will follow several steps. Okay, what is the first step? The first step, it will take application data. Here we have a diagram, the working procedure, the working. Okay, first here we have a data. It is the data. Okay, it is called application layer data. Okay, in first step, this application layer data will be fragmented. Okay, this data will be goes to the fragmentation. What do you mean of fragmentation? Fragmentation is nothing but the given data will be divided into number of small subparts. That is called fragmentation. Okay, here the data is fragmented. The data is fragmented. This is called fragmentation. What do you mean of fragmentation? Means the data is divided into small parts, and after that this fragmentation data will be compressed. Okay, all of the data, these are the actual data is divided in number of small parts. All 4 parts will be compressed as a single part, okay. Here the compression means lossless compression. It won't affect any data loss. Therefore data will be compressed. The data will be compressed, okay. Here the data will be compressed, and after that the compressed data again will calculate a MAC by using authentication algorithm, okay. It will go for MAC, okay. After compression data, MAC calculation means what? MAC value will be added. So this is the MAC you are adding here. This is the MAC, okay. Here what will happen? Calculated MAC using authentication algorithm. It means what? Simply add MAC end of the message, okay. Here, and after that this calculated data now encrypted, okay. Again this data will be encrypted, okay. After adding the MAC, the complete data will be encrypted, okay. For simply understanding purpose, I am writing here different shapes, okay. The data will be encrypted, okay. Here is the encryption. The data will be encrypted, okay. After encryption, now encryption means what? This is the entire MAC and data both will be encrypted, okay. It is the compressed, okay. It is the compressed data and MAC data, okay. Here how it will be encrypted means by using MD5 or SHA algorithm, the data will be encrypted, okay. It will also use DES algorithm, okay. In the next step, append SSL record header. This encrypted data will be added to SSL header, okay. Here we will add the SSL header, okay. This is the SSL header. Append SSL record header, okay. This is the record header, okay. This header again contains the 4 bits. We will see, okay. This is the working procedure of the SSL record protocol, okay. The first actual data is the application layer data. The data will be divided into several parts by using that is called fragmentation. This fragmented data will be again compressed. Again the data will be compressed. After that the compressed data will be applied for MAC operation. Here MAC means we use the MAC authentication algorithm. Here MAC will be added to the compressed data. After that it will go for the encryption. In encryption we using the MD5 algorithm or SHA algorithm to encrypt the data, and later we will add SSL record header in the starting of the compressed message, okay. MAC authentication algorithm. Here SSL record header will contains again 4 fields, okay. What are the 4 fields is content type, SSL record header contains 4 fields. First one is content type. It is 8 bits. What is the meaning of content type means the higher layer protocol used to fragment, okay. The second one is major version. It contains 8 bits. Okay, it indicates the major versions in using. Okay, and third one is minor version. Is also 8 bits. Okay, indicates the which is the minor version we are using. Okay, here the major version is 3, minor version is 1, and the fourth one is compressed length. Okay, what is the compressed length? Means the total length of the bytes of the plain text fragmented. The maximum value is 2 power 14 plus 2048. That is the optimal. These are the 4 fields in secure socket header. Secure socket header. These are the 4 fields.
నా ఛానల్ పేరు గుర్తుందిగా, ప్లీజ్ లైక్, షేర్ అండ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్. ఏంటి